This engine has never pulled a fare-making train, until today. Rom River, the oldest surviving purpose-built standard gauge diesel locomotive in Britain, was built in 1929 in our very own Stoke-on-Trent. She has sat in our museum for years, and you'd be forgiven if, like me, you've assumed this engine was fully retired and destined for static display only. Turns out, when someone asked owner Jack Dibnah about borrowing her, it was found she was still in good working condition. So, fast forward a few months to today, the 3rd of September 2022. That all changes. Here in Platform 1 at Cavilswell Road, she's coupled up to 3 splendid Victorian knotty coaches. And at 9:30 AM, she sets off to Dilholm Park at a racy 5 miles an hour. Despite being in her 90s, she gives a great smooth ride. Keeping punctually to the day's schedule, she laps up the spotlight in Dilholm Park. She has a really spacious cab actually, easily twice the size of our other steam locos. Yet she requires your full body weight to fully depress the clutch, and you can easily stall her as you have to very slowly lift your weight off again to find the biting point. With a few primitive controls, she's a no-frills engine. But make no mistake, we like her, and we hope you'll enjoy seeing her in passenger service for the first time.